Thank you. Una good evening and welcome on top of the nation. My name is Nathaniel _ Put on sit down for inside the studio. Me easy beat _ for my people from Livelyhood Homes. All of us don't sit down for inside studio to make sure say we go add something we go better your life. Not be every day just come laugh, shake body, go. No, sometimes we go do something when it say go help your ministry move from where it did go permanent site. Now the prayer of everybody, the prayer where everybody they pray. Now make you range yourself, get better work, guess their own not to marry. Any girl where guess their own final this thing now make they see husband marry. Because when girl don't see husband marry now, bram, girl waiting, your conscience come fat to full everywhere. Nothing can sign them. No hope, no future ambition. It don't marry. Nothing day game. But for man and some women. Very, I don't go, maybe like 5% of women. Now if you say, okay, then one range take, build their own, get their own this thing. But for men, the ultimate goal of every man, except say that man, they knock a head, maybe he head not correct. Now to get his own house. So that he go fit come outside for inside the compound, spread leg like virus, spit, pwah! Nobody go discuss that. Landlord not go say, hey, Sean, why do you do that? Nah. So therefore, we also come to think and say, this thing where federal government they talk say, okay, house deficit, the number of people when we say we did for Nigeria, I mean over 150 million what would be the number of houses where they not be the number number of houses where they it not fit reach the number of people where they stay for inside Nigeria. So the federal government do different things to make sure say people get houses. But we on our own, we see this our people because say okay, make una come. Tell people what be that when they say then go do. Where their life go better. Not be say every time you go they gather money to take it for pay rent. Landlord make una no vex. We want make people be landlord too. Gather that
la truth of
because the landlord go dey suffer us now. Come on your hand. Now, when come make me the thinker, as a man that you is, if you see man go work finish during the day, in the evening, you go say, I'm going hang out, go buy beer. Bad as he bad. You know they drink beer. You they drink beer.
No.
You they drink beer.
I know they drink beer.
You they drink beer. No. Ah, hey. See all of no, not go make heaven. Without of they drink beer. So I mean, no what they talk about story. So what do you they drink?
Malt.
Malt now they drink.
Yes.
What do you they drink?
Once in a while, once in a blue moon, maybe once in 3 months.
You they drink beer.
Once.
But why? But you first deny.
No, I not be there. The way you did ask the question, you did like that question.
But when they talk, we say those men when they be say every day, una go fit drink beer. Una go drink beer. Maybe they wait live for face me and slap you. Even though me face me and slap you, as long as you dey house where they rent, you go every day where you go drink beer. But as about say you not drink beer, you fit drink like 2,000 naira a day on top beer. Now, if you calculate that 2,000 naira where they drink on top beer, I'm not saying make you stop the beer totally. At least come out drink like 500 naira beer.
No subsidy.
They come out subsidy. Come out subsidy. Another thing. I think when you say they don't come out subsidy for fuel now, everything price don't go up. You understand? So if you come out like 500 from that 2,000 where they drink beer, can't they drink beer of 500? They save 1,500 naira. At the end of every week, you go get close to 10,000 naira.
Yes, now. No, don't reach the peak
10,500 naira.
For a Wekolo. That one don't reach for you to carry, go buy a house for a Wekolo area. 10,000. You go, small land, you go buy them. Even if now you just buy them there, live. You see, with the one way some people they do, and I say, okay, if you just put money, you just live and make your weight small. You don't appreciate. None of those way want sell, then go sell. But people when they be saying no, say, I don't want landlord while again, landlord while again. You all build that no matter how much. You see the maintenance make you all get the land. Just do your foundation first of all. What you don't do your foundation. All that thing when they come now small. You get one when they be saying they do when I go build for the people like this.
Yes, they when they pay them small.
When I go build, give them the house, they will call the pay them small.
Yes, the park enter, they will get agreement to go make between we and that person.
Okay.
To just make sure so at least he get house.
Okay.
That person go make sure he get at least 80% commitment on that particular land or that particular house.
The person go don't pay 80%.
You don't pay like 50% of it.
Okay.
Then the remaining 50, you're going to pay them gradually.
Small.
Yes.
For example, okay, like how much? What would be the lowest amount of house when they say when I go build? For instance, example, easy bit now we dey here now. If they find babe, if you see babe now. When you don't see the babe now, how much in fee pay? Maybe you don't before you want marry. How much you go say okay? Now the lowest amount where fee pay, we go give a good house. And which kind of house if that one go figure?
Okay, like a 3-bedroom flat, bungalow flat. Now, okay, Moka as you say that's 3-bedroom bungalow flat. It will cost us like like maybe 3.5 million.
Okay.
If you just pay 1.5 million, then that 2 million will remain.
You want to pay small.
Before you know, like play, you don't pay and finish.
And like how long if you use take pay and finish?
If he pay, it depends on him. If he get at least, let us say maybe if we give him like 12 months. Or if we give her like
too small now.
If we give her like 18 months. No, I just give example. Then you can't calculate himself how much you can
he go feel they drop every month. At least you go know say your money they go somewhere. But the question, another thing I want to ask again now, be say, for example now, if na 3.5 million, if you pay 1.5, you go feel get 1.5 million naira now. If you and your baby donate money.
No, sir, you go adjust now.
You go get them now.
If for example now, you as a big boy now, if you come on like 1 million, your babe now, women know they come on with their money. Women
some women they come out. Some women will get vision for their boyfriend. They will come out. I don't see women with the balance now. I don't see women where they go. Where we say go they do a job. He go they do a job. Go they save small money. Go cause. I don't get one so money. He go put down. He go. He might go there say in they pursue one land for somewhere.
You see, the woman own they fear me. Make I tell you one story. Sorry, I'm not even tell you their name. What is your name, I beg?
Atul.
Atul.
ATUL. Atul.
Atul.
Yeah.
Hey, where are you from?
From India.
India. What you come Nigeria here?
Nothing. Just job.
The job.
I'm here
for job. Hunger, they beat you there. You come here.
Yes.
I like this guy. They come through. No going front and back. Hunger, they beat at there. Now you come here. My brother anyway is always a way. I want gas money in the enter pocket. This one you own Nathaniel. In your memory.
Nathaniel Okoh.
Nathaniel Okoh. You know that name Okoh Itul. Okoh Itul. Now I want to ask you one question. You get one woman who build house. Now that woman build a house. No. The man they pay rent for house. Okay. Then every year landlord go they increase rent. Every year landlord go they increase rent. Then the man comes say, okay, this rent they increase, it don't be too much. Make him go meet the landlord of the house, make them discuss how they go take do am. Now so the agents not going to make them see the landlord do. Then do. The man come begin doing his own investigation. Later come find out, say, now in wife. Now in wife, now he get the house.
Where the man they pay house rent?
Where the man they pay house rent? So the man they carry the money, pay for agent. Agent go give the woman. So that one now. You tell me say woman too they pay. Women their own. Anyway, we go back small chicken break. When we come back, we go still continue with Nat and Untol. We live in Nigeria. Livelihood people they come back.